should smell good. I think this is Mexico. Might be the Cali. Yeah, this is from Cali. Damiana. You thought it was weed. Aha. And my socks are much fatter than this. This is Damiana. The infamous Damiana. Why infamous? Well, because it is one of a few ingredients in synthetic marijuana, which is why going to an herb store to buy this, they probably won't even sell you half this much, a quarter of this much. They'll probably give you a few ounces at a time. Again, because it's used in the production of synthetic marijuana. But we're herbalists. We don't give a damn about that shit. Why do we use it? Well, mainly for anxiety and depression. Okay, I think it's a lot more effective than chamomile, verbena, linden flower, and many of the typical herbs used for anxiety and depression. It's an excellent nervine, all together, all around. Anything involved with the nervous system, you want to use this. But if you're looking for more of an energetic, stimulated type of nervine, and this is not it. This is very relaxing, very, very relaxing. Similar to like kava or something like that. Okay, some people just smoke this alone for a mild, it has a mild relaxing effect. Okay, why? Well, there's many phytochemicals in it that contribute to its effect. But what we do know is, see, this is very aromatic. Very aromatic. And that's because of terpenes. Yes, terpenes. Many of you are familiar with terpenes by way of marijuana, but terpenes are not exclusive to marijuana. Okay, terpenes are molecules made up of carbon that are aromatic. As far as marijuana goes, you'll have limonene, caryophyllene. Okay, two different terpenes, two different smells, but more importantly, two similar but different effects on your biology. Some terpenes are really good for pain, some good for inflammation, some good for stress relief. Okay, the terpenes here, excellent for all three: inflammation, anxiety, and pain relief. Okay, which is another reason why it's popular amongst females. It's popular amongst females for two reasons. Not only because it deals with bloating, pain due to girl problems, periods and shit, but it's also an excellent aphrodisiac, female aphrodisiac, to get your lady nice and juicy. Okay, this is Damiana. I like to use that with this Gymnema, Hindu word for destroyer of sugar. Gymnema does something very interesting. If you take a tincture, drink a tea made with it, you drink it, then you go eat something sweet, you won't taste any sugar. You won't taste any sugar. You're having problems with cravings, sugar cravings, drink some of that. And even if you do slip up and eat something sweet, the taste will not be appealing because you won't taste any sugar. That's real life. Okay, excellent tool for lowering the blood sugar. But you guys know we don't compartmentalize when we heal. We're holistic practitioners, okay? So, yes, it helps to lower blood sugar. Yes, it helps with sugar cravings. But more importantly, it contains chromium. Chromium is the predominant mineral of the pancreas, okay? And when you are healing holistically, yes, you heal holistically, but you put emphasis on whatever organ or tissues that have been offended by the disease. Okay, so this will help to address the pancreas while you're building the body back up, while you're cleansing it out. You're putting emphasis on the pancreas and regenerating it. Okay, these two work really well together. Okay, Damiana and Gymnema. All right, be cool, y'all.